Guys, for today's vlog is we have a phone. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, what is this? No. What is this? Is it a phone? No, please. What is this? Oh, bro, we have a tablet. Oh yeah, bro, I'm super happy. Oh yeah. Next. Oh, whoa! We have a case now. Let's record that in time. No, let's go. Bye. Okay, guys, we have this. Oh, sorry. Guys, ako muna ang magbablog. Wow, please. Okay, guys, ito naman. And this is, guys, siya. Ito na, guys. Ang ganda niya. Guys, I have a Tagalog now, ha? Ang ganda ng phone ko. This is our, guys. Guys, kung naglalaro kayo ng Roblox, is maglaro kayo, join nyo ako. Hindi nyo naman ako add nyo ako as Nobinario 26. Ay, hindi pala hindi Nobinario 26 ha. Nobinario 101. Okay? Thank you. Bye. And guys, ang ano ko ha is yung lang siya, normal na babae. Guys, yung parang bacon yung niya. Bye-bye!